Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the market cycles order flow EA, and according to the marketplace page, this is an MT5 expert advisor developed by Fang Chu. Looking at the marketplace listing, the EA is currently priced at 990 US dollars, with rental options available for 1 month going for 70 US dollars, 3 months going for 210 US dollars, and 6 months going for 420 US dollars. The current version shown here is 2.691, updated on October 31st, 2025. Now, as I scroll through the description, the developer explains that this EA is part of the larger Nexus portfolio, which combines multiple automated trading systems across different assets and time frames. The developer also states that this particular algorithm has been running on private accounts since 2020 and has recently been upgraded for the MT5 platform with additional enhancements related to market regime recognition and indicator filtering. The description provides some insight into how the system operates. According to the developer, the EA uses a proprietary AI model that incorporates retail trader sentiment data alongside 9 different indicators. Now, some of the indicators specifically mentioned include MACD, smooth moving average, RSI, TDI, and ADX. Now, the goal is to identify market cycles and trend opportunities based on the data being processed by the algorithm. Moving further down the page, the supported trading symbols are clearly listed as XAU USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, and XAU JPY. The developer also notes that the system uses multiple assets, multiple time frames, and multiple strategies as part of its overall design. Now, when we get into the settings and setup information, there are several important notes provided. The developer states that the EA requires the bank order flow update indicator for proper operation and backtesting. There are also recommendations regarding loading historical data, attaching the EA to a USD JPY M5 chart, and ensuring supported symbols are available in MarketWatch. The description further notes that a hedging account and a broker using a standard New York close server time are required. Now, let us just move over to the historical backtesting section, shall we? Let's see what we have provided here by the developer. This is showing us 140% increase, 4 months results, no grade martingale, long-term robust strategy. And here we can see quite an interesting growth with some drawdowns. Okay, and then here this shows my FX book, 70.45% return, 10.17% drawdown. All right. Okay. Now we're just going to head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed. But before that, let's also just analyze the results provided here on the marketplace page. Initial deposit was $1,000. Total net profit was over $4 million. Total trades taken were 7,070, out of which 4,053 were profitable, giving us a 57.33% win rate. And then here I can see that the equity drawdown relative was 13.48%, equity drawdown maximal 9.65%. All right, and the balance drawdown relative was 12.3%, and the balance drawdown maximal was 12.3%. Let's head over to our strategy tester now. Okay, I'm testing the market cycles order flow on USD JPY on the M5 time frame as recommended, and we are testing, over the past 5 months plus, from the beginning of this year 2026 till date. And as for the delays, I'm using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. And now I can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative $2.49. And the total trades taken were 16, out of which 8 were profitable. So that gave us a 50% win rate. Largest profit was 3.89, largest loss was 4.8, average profit was 1.66, average loss was 1.97. So that means that the risk to reward ratio is not far from 1:1, but the average loss is bigger than the average profit. All right. Now, I can also see that the equity drawdown relative is 10.82%. Sorry, 0.01%. That's also the same with the maximal, right? And then here I can see that the balance drawdown maximal is 0.01% as well. Okay. Now, as I review the completed backtest results, it's worth noting that the developer specifically states testing can be performed using data from 2017 onward. Since this EA operates across multiple supported symbols and multiple strategies, the historical analysis represents possibly the combined behavior of those underlying components working together. Looking through the chart history, we can see how the system generated entries and exits throughout different market phases. Based on the information provided, the algorithm is designed to identify market cycles and trends using both indicator-based analysis and retail sentiment inputs. Beyond that, the exact decision-making process remains proprietary, so it's important not to make assumptions beyond what the developer has disclosed. The historical testing performance shown here should be viewed as a reference point rather than an expectation of future results. All right. Remember that performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, optimization choices, and changing market conditions. All right. I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and broker environments. All right. So overall, the market cycles order flow EA for MT5 is positioned as a diversified multi-asset system that combines sentiment analysis, multiple indicators, and multiple trading strategies within a single framework. As always, before considering any live deployment, you want to take some time to perform your own testing, verify the setup requirements, and optimize the configuration based on your own trading objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insight. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.